I think on the years what make I conduct us make no Igbo person follow for this protest. They say I'm not a patriotic in Nigeria. Why are you bringing discrimination? We are all Igbo Yoruba outside, we are all one. Stop that rubbish. Anybody who will talk that rubbish to my ear, if nobody say I know something, I must say make something happen to you. How can you say with Igbo outside Yoruba? Now what? For what? Any Igbo person will join this protest, you are lying too much. And I pray may something happen to you. Any Igbo person will join this protest. I pray may something happen to you. The only way to join the protest is to sit at home, watch them to protest. Don't open your shop. If you open shop, they go use you settle. If you follow them, they go still use you settle. I will make I hear this man putting the top.
Protest you. What I've been saying in Yoruba is that the planned nationwide protest is a strategy, new strategy by the Ndi Igbos to destabilize or truncate the democratic governance in this country, simply to vent their spleen on Yoruba nation. Where they are not happy as they lost the 2023 presidential elections. They are not happy, and those who are canvassing for this insurrection, the felons, they are felons canvassing for this insurrection, are either Labour Party members or IPOB, the Igbo stock in that party. Why? So I want to appeal to the youth and the elders, patriotic citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to shun that protest. The protest is aimed at truncating the democratic process, and we should not allow that. Let us remember what happened in Kenya, what happened in Sudan, what happened in Libya, what happened in Syria. Since the internal crisis broken out, I mean, things have never been the same in those countries. Why should we have, untold hardship on ourselves by some miscreant elements? Those who want to destabilize this country. Even if you want to destabilize the country, it is not the time that Yoruba is in charge. It will not happen. It will not happen by the grace of God. So those who are planning this devilish protest should please avoid coming to any Yoruba state. Take your protest to Abuja or your...
I believe say you don't hear that man now. The protest never start to. They are already accusing from the first of all, they say now Opitobi, now they plan the protest. Even the one will happen for Kenya, Opitobi do. The queue will happen for each the queue will happen to what do they call them? Niger, Opitobi. The one will Burkina Faso immediately take over, Opitobi do. Very soon, it will happen for Cameroon. Now, P2B, I don't know why you know why rest. Go for Cameroon, go do them now. I did pity any Igbo person who will join this protest. The kind of onwuge boogie. No, I won't even cry for anybody. Join ya. Kahaji go measuring here. Ndi Igbo, we have been shouting this thing on social media. Don't join, don't join. They will still come out tomorrow. They're already accusing you when the protest has not even started. You saw with the other pastor. What? I will never vote Igbo man when I have a Yoruba man. Don't vote Yoruba man now. How market? I'm not afraid. How market? How much is dollar now? Because dollar they very cheap. That's why P2B is making it. P2B, is he the one that bought the yacht? Instead of you to look for money to help the people, you are buying yacht. Is not yacht, what on the column? Is it P2B that just buy $100 million in private jet? Is it P2B that gave 90 billion to subsidize Hajj instead of helping the people? Is it P2B that refused to pay minimum wage and now they just managed to approve 70,000 naira? Is it P2B? Is it P2B that helped the National Assembly to go and buy SUV 160 million naira each? Is it P2B? Is it P2B that is to keep the salary of a ordinary House of Rep member 18.5 million every month? This is just basic. the basic and allowances. This one not the fraudulent thing where they add up to them. All House of Rep or no the senator, 18.5 million naira every month. That's their take home. Is it to me that tell them not to release it so that people would share from there? Is it an Igbo man that is doing it? And tomorrow Igbo man will come and protest so that they will pay you. If you like, here. If you don't like, don't hear. Come out. I don't talk my own. Every Igbo man should stay at home. Don't go to shop. Don't drive your keke. Don't run on the road. Sit at home. Let them do their protest. We are watching. Thank you. Now it be my own. If you want here, here. If you know why here, leave her. Bye-bye.